do you like chickens? How about chicken pot pie? How about chicken nuggets?
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Can't get on, can't get off. Chicken train, take the chickens away.
Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in another day from the Urban Micro Farm. So our little friends are ready for some breakfast. I was a little later than normal, but I had a couple of things that I needed to do and got them done. So now we're out here. Mandy's putting down the feeders. She's going to check the waters while she's in there, and I'm sure we're going to have to put some water in there because I didn't fill them last night. So we will get those things hooked up today. We'll get these birds checked on, and we will see how everybody's doing. Hey, birds. Everybody still kicking in here? Hey, birds. Yeah, so everybody's good. They're just hungry. Whoa, whoops. Sorry about that. They're good. Everybody's just hungry. So we're going to get everybody fed and watered here, and we will check back in with you this afternoon. Stand by. Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in again from the pasture. So it has been an absolute gorgeous day. We got a little wind midday, but it has calmed right back down. Beautiful, beautiful evening. Everything has kind of a gold hue to it. I think that has more to do with the yellow grass than it does anything, but just absolutely gorgeous out here on the pasture tonight. We need to see if we can get our pasture friends to eat. So let's I think we'll move this one first. And I don't mean to eat, I mean eat grasshoppers. So we're going to see if we can get them out here hunting. Let's open that up. Hey birds, come on out. We'll go in here and grab this feeder. Let's see if they want to follow us out. Boy, if we could get them. A few of them have got it. Yep. This is good stuff. If more of them would leave the tractor, like these adventuresome birds, we'd be all right. So I may have to go in there and shoo them out. So let's do that real quick. I'm going to put you guys on a tripod. Don't worry, I'll be back. All right, so we got that one good to go. Let's see if we can repeat our results with this one. Hey, birds. Come on, birds. Come on, birds. Sorry about that. Gonna have to set you guys up again and go flush them out. Okay, can we three-peat this deal? Got two of them moved relatively quickly. Hey birds, come on out. Come on out. Come on birds. Set that down there. Set you guys down here. Let's go flush some birds. Come on, birds. Okay, so we've got all of the tractors moved. The last water is filling in that farthest left tractor. Everything is going swimmingly. Now, we do have one point of concern, and it's in this middle tractor right here. And I'm going to try to get up here. So you can see that little one. It's the one that's left standing there on the farthest right. Mandy's really concerned about that one. Really undersized bird, and it's also very purple in color. So I'm afraid we got another one of those birds that's having a little bit of heart trouble. So it's got a full crop. It's taken in water, but it looks, again, lethargic, really just slow moving. You kick it out of the tractor, you have to pick it up and take it back in when you go to put them back in. So just not a well bird. So we're gonna keep our eye on that one. I completely expect that bird to not make it to butcher. So it's the luck of the draw. Law of large numbers dictates that not all these birds are going to be healthy, especially when we're dealing with these numbers. So we're going to keep our eye on that one, and we'll keep you posted on what's going on with that bird. Other than that, everybody is doing well. Now, these two tractors over here today, they figured out what grasshoppers are about. They're still not as deadly and lethal hunters as those over there, but they are getting it figured out. So, that being said, I have nothing further to report other than this is Wyoming James checking out from another day on the Urban Micro Farm. Adios.
Chicken train running all day, can't get on.